But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. They don't believe I'm okay, but I'm impulsive, I'm not insane. High on life in the night, no anxiety. Well, I agree, life is great, but let me live it my own way. High on life in the night, no anxiety. But I live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie, don't really know how life was before. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I live a lie, insecure, always on my phone. Yeah, I live a lie, don't really know how life was before. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we've made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Not too shabby. Of course, it always takes an hour and a half because everything's got to be complicated. But you guys.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So my truck's been squeaking for a long time now. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm replacing everything with Ford parts this time. No more AutoZone crap. I learned the lesson multiple times, which is why I stopped using, you know, very generic AutoZone and Advanced Auto Parts parts. Now, little stuff like this, like electrical connectors, like I've used here multiple times in the past, works great. Never had a problem with stuff like that, but anything else is a no-go. Absolute no-go. I just realized I forgot to strap this down too. But anyway, so we're going to be replacing the belt and the idler pulley, because the idler pulley is flopping all over the place, which is fantastic. Not really, but we got to replace it. That way it don't flop no more. And this one comes with the correct bolts. Well, bolt. That's all it is. So hopefully this all works out good, because this is going to be the second time I replaced it this year. And you know, I could just go back to Advanced Auto Parts and just replace the belt and the pulley for free. But I'm really tired of doing it over and over again. So I went out and just got Ford genuine parts this time. This should be the last of the non-genuine Ford parts, besides the batteries, which doesn't really matter. And like, you know, the outside looks like the lights, headlights and stuff. So let's get this done, get the GoPro going, and we'll record it afterwards, see how it starts.